Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to post wild photos on Instagram. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update, in January 2022, Instagram primarily supports square and vertical photos. However, there are ways to post wide or horizontal photos on Instagram. And here's a general guide on how to post wide photos on Instagram using third-party apps. So first thing we need to do is go ahead and go to the gallery app, then find your preferred photo, let's say this one. And here, what we need to do is tap on edit, the pencil icon, or similar to edit. Now, choose the crop tool. Then you can use the whiteboard marker to pinpoint those sections, those lines, but those horizontal lines, only the first column. So we want to make 3 carousel. Now, once done, tap save. Now, make sure you have copy for this one. You can do this by tapping on the 3 dots on the bottom right, then tap on save as copy. Now let's edit this again. Let's divide this in 3 parts. Now we're gonna need some whiteboard or some ways to mark for the meantime the line, so now let's mark the first line in the left. Tap on the 3 dots, then save as copy. And now for the center, let's go back to that photo. Then make sure the outlines on your screen have not been erased. So now tap on edit, then use the marks to access the left side. Then hit save. Now let's tap on edit again. Now use your whiteboard marker again and make sure the marks are on the center. Now access the right side by moving to the center. Now hit the 3 dots again, then save as copy. Now go back to that photo that you've edited before and tap on edit again and access the left part only. Make sure it's 1.1, then hit the 3 dots, then save as copy. Now, let's put this on a favorite section by tapping on the heart icon on the bottom left, and do this on the photos. Instagram also has a built-in feature called Layout that allows you to create collage. To do this, step 1, open the Instagram app on your device. Step 2, start creating a new post as you normally would by tapping on the plus button. Then on the recent drop down, tap on favorites. Now, tap on select multiple and just determine the next photo by its formation. Then tap on the arrow on the top right corner. As you can see, as I scroll through the right, I can't see the formation on the picture. It's not perfect though, but it's one of the best ways to do this wide photo, and you can choose filters for this. You can add captions and eventually post it. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.